Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your non-profit donations with PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your non-profit donations with PayPal, start by creating a PayPal business account. Visit the PayPal website and click on Sign Up. Select the business account option and click Next. Fill in the required information about your non-profit organization. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Once your account is created, log in to your PayPal business account. Navigate to Tools in the menu at the top of the page. Select all tools to view the available options. Click on PayPal buttons to create a donation button. Choose the Donate button option from the list. Customize the button settings according to your nonprofit's needs. Add your organization name and donation amount preferences. Consider enabling the option for donors to make recurring donations. Once you have customized the button, click Create Button. You will receive HTML code for the button. Copy this code, as you'll need it for your website. If you don't have a website, you can use PayPal's donation page feature. In the PayPal button section, select Email Link. This will allow you to create a link you can share through email or social media. Now, test your donation button to ensure it works correctly. Visit your website or the shared link and perform a test donation. Verify that you receive confirmation from PayPal about the test transaction. Set up notifications in your PayPal account to track donations effectively. Navigate to Account Settings and go to Notifications. Enable notifications for incoming donations. Consider integrating PayPal with third-party fundraising platforms. This can help streamline your donation processes further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.